The National Weather Service in Boise has issued a flash flood warning for north central Ada County, southwestern Boise County, until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar may result in debris flow moving through the Boise foothills. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Boise and Eden Springs. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry washes is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers.
Businesses in this area should have a plan in place should the need arise. This is not a mandatory evacuation. Sheriff's Office personnel will conduct door-to-door notifications of residents in the affected area. For more information, visit https://flathead.mt.gov/department-directory/OES or call the public information line at 406-758-2111.
Oh my fucking god.
$20 a
Is $7.50 relaying this? Of course not. Oh my fucking god. Bro, no way. No fucking way. What the fuck? Holy shit. Hold on. I want to see if anybody else will relay this. Shit. Hold up. Is 1180 relaying this? Nope. Damn it. I forgot. 92.3. Jesus fucking Christ. No way. No fucking way. Even though it's the county that's just in the north of me, but this is an absolute first for Montana. A cap-originated fire warning.